Hi everyone. Are you running a new NGO or trust and wondering how to prepare an annual report? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to create a simple, effective annual report that builds trust, attracts donors, and highlights the great work your organization is doing. Let's get started. First, let's understand what an annual report really is. It's not just a boring document full of numbers. Think of it like a storybook of your organization, a story of the lives you've touched, the work you've done, and the goals you've achieved over the past year. It's your chance to proudly showcase your efforts and also show transparency to your supporters, whether they're donors, volunteers, or funding agencies. Now you might be asking, is it really necessary? Yes, it is, and here's why. A well-prepared annual report builds credibility. It shows people that you're serious, responsible, and clear about your mission. Many donors, especially CSR funders and grant-making agencies, will ask for your annual report before offering support. Plus, it's useful for government-related filings like 12A, 80G, and FCRA. So even if you're just starting out, this is a habit you want to develop early. Alright, let's go step by step into what you should include in a basic annual report. And don't worry, you don't need to be a designer or a writer. I'll keep it simple. Start with a cover page. Just include your NGO's name, logo, registration number, and the financial year, for example, 2023 to 2024. Next, write a message from the founder or president. It doesn't need to be long, just a short thank you note and a summary of what your organization has achieved. Then, include your vision and mission statements. This reminds readers why your organization exists and what your long-term goals are. Now comes the heart of your report, the activities. What did you actually do this year? List each major activity, when and where it happened, who it helped, and the outcome. For example, in July, we distributed school supplies to 80 children in Chennai. If you have photos, add them. Visuals make a huge impact. Include a couple of stories. Maybe one beneficiary whose life changed, or a volunteer who made a big difference. These real stories connect emotionally with your audience. After that, add a simple financial summary. You don't need to show every receipt, just a clear overview, how much money came in, where it came from, and how it was used. You can present this in a small table, for example, 5 Indian rupees lakhs received, 3.5 Indian rupees lakhs spent on programs, and so on. And finally, add your contact information. Your address, phone number, email, website, or social media handles. Here are a few simple tips to make your report more effective. Keep the language simple, no need for complicated words. Use real photos from your events instead of stock images. Try a clean design, you can even use free Canva templates if you're not a designer. Keep it short and neat, 8 to 10 pages are more than enough for a small NGO. And most importantly, make sure your data is honest and accurate. Many new NGOs make some common mistakes in their first report, let me help you avoid them. Don't copy content from other NGOs, your own story matters the most. Don't skip financials, even if it's a small amount. Transparency is important. And don't overload the report with text, use white space, visuals, and headings to break things up. To wrap up, remember, your annual report is more than just a requirement. It's your voice, your proof, and your invitation to others to support your mission. Whether your NGO is 6 months old or 6 years old, a simple and honest report shows that you care about your work, and about the people who support you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want a free template to get started, just check the description below, I've added some useful links. Thanks for watching, and all the best for your NGO journey.